Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Marilyn with Fabulous Designs on a Budget. And today I am going to be cleaning up this one room, and this will be my new crafting storage area. This is where I will store all my crafting supplies as well as dishes. I'm going to get some wired racks to go along this wall so I will be able to see all my dishes. So this is an empty room in our basement, and I finally decided to come down here, clean it out, and get it all set up and put the items in, because we don't really come down here. We utilize the family room 90% of the time. So I'm gonna finally get it cleaned up, go out to purchase some shelves, and take you guys along with me, and then come back, install the shelves, and slowly start filling this area up. Okay guys, so I am on my way to Home Depot to pick up some metal racks to put in that crafting room so I can store some dishes, vases, different florals, charger plates, specifically on these wired racks. And I believe they are 36 inches wide, 72 inches in height, and I think they're 30 inches in depth. So I'm gonna start out by purchasing just two. Yeah, I'm gonna purchase just two for today, put them together and see how much space I have. I think in total I'll probably end up purchasing 4, because I really actually want to be able to store everything down in that area. So I'm gonna hit Home Depot and see what they have. So here is the shelving unit I went with. It's the HDX heavy duty 36 inches by 24 inches storage unit, and it's actually 72 inches in height. I'm trying to see, weight capacity is 1,000 pounds, total weight 200 pounds per shelf. That is more than enough weight that I will be needing. So I did pick up 2 of them. I thought the camera was rolling while I was shopping in the store, but I guess it wasn't, because all I got is one clip of a picture, which I will insert. So that was just a picture of me actually in Home Depot looking at the shelving unit. So these are the 2 that I ended up with, and I'm going to get started and put one together. So before I get started putting them together, because it is a basement, I sprayed the perimeter with some of this bug spray home barrier. Now I do use this all year long. It's good for a 12-month control, and for the last 3 years that I've been using it, it's been pretty good in the upstairs of the house. So I sprayed the entire perimeter of the room, which is a pretty large room, which is more space than I will probably need, but I might end up storing some chairs and folding tables in here. And then I'll come back and mop. So I'm going to get started. It's supposed to be very easy symbol. So let's see, cut this plastic. I want to be careful that I don't cut these shelves. Let me get this all opened up. So here are the instructions, which makes it fairly easy. You put the legs on the bottom, a shelf, a pole, and just keep going till you get to the top, and then you put the top caps on the top. So I managed to get the legs in on one section, and guys, I'm gonna tell you, it was a struggle. I had to try it in like 4 different pieces before they would actually fit in perfectly, because it's not labeled, which is the base. It's just 5 pieces, just like this, legs and caps and poles for the side. But I managed to get it in. It was a little struggle, but I did it. So now I'm gonna start layering the shelves. Now, from here on out, it should go pretty quick, because it's just a matter of putting each leg in like that, and then you put your next layer on top of that. And just push down snug. There we go. Then you're gonna add your next set of 4 legs. And then you're just gonna keep layering until it's complete. So guys, you can see right here, I got it together with actually only 4 shelves. The last shelf over here, it is actually a little bit taller for this room than I thought, but I'm going to end up taking this one, because I know I have a piece left out of this one, and just build up a 2-tier shelf. So for now, I didn't put the caps on the top either, because I'm gonna use the caps for legs for the 2-tier one that I'm going to make. I don't really need the caps on the top because it's not going anywhere. So this is the first shelf. I'm gonna get the other 2 assembled and show you the final look. So here is the organizational rack all put together. Again, it was taller than I thought, so I had to actually do 2 with 4 shelves and 1 in the middle with 2 shelves, which is perfectly fine. That gives me more height to place some of my taller bases. So guys, this is the conclusion of this video. I will come back and show you another video of me organizing all of the shelves. So as always, I hope to see you in the next video. Smooches.